Today we teach you how to use the fiber laser marking machines. First, let me introduce you. Usually speaking, for the fiber laser marking machines, we have three parts. First, that is the cabinet. Here, cabinet. And the second part is the gavel scanner. And the third part is the computer. Now you can see on the controller box, we have three buttons. One is the master switch, that is for the general power for the whole machines. Second, for the laser, and the last one is for the gavel meter power. Look here. Now there is one thing, that is how to find the focus point, because sometimes when you need to mark the very thin, and sometimes you need to mark a very high one. So the laser marking point is maybe not similar, but you can see here. Now here is one switch. If you open it, you will find here. There are three red dots. If they are in the same, that means the focus is okay. If not in the same, then the focus is not okay. For example, now it is in the same. For example, if we want to work here, you can see the 3 point is not, if we want to mark the product in this height, but you can see the 3 point is not in the same. So you need to adjust the focus point. If in the same, that means the focus is okay. If we don't open it, you can see, if we don't open it, there is only 1 point, not 3 point. So if we want to adjust the autofocus, we need to open it. How to adjust the autofocus? First, we open it, and then we find the 3 point, and then we adjust these views to make sure this point in the same way, then it will be okay. It will be very easy. Now let me teach you how to use the controller. First, you can see there is one software, this EasyCAD. Then open it. For the fiber laser marking machines, the machine no need back home. When you open it, then first you need to input the USB to find the program. File and import. For example, if we want to work this program we made before, we use a DXF or PLT or AL, something like that. But usually we use a DXF, that format. Okay, now this is the program. We want to draw a dragon. Okay, first we make the dragon smaller, and then put it into the scoop. Okay, now it's inside. Usually speaking, first you can see here. If we just want to draw it for the outlook, then we need to adjust the speed and the power. Different power, different speed will cause different effects. Now let me show you. Now first we test the speed is 500 millimeters per second and the power 50%. Let's see what will happen to the marking. You can see it's finished, and the design is very light. Now we change something. Now we change the power 80%. Okay, 300 for the speed, 300 millimeters. Let's see what will happen. You can see now it is more depth. Now if we change more again, We change it to 100% power for 100 millimeters per second. Let's see what's the marking difference. You can see it is more clear designs. So that means if you want to make it different, then set the different power, different speed. You can see very clean. This is 3-1, very different. Different speed, different power percent, then can cutting different effect. Now you can see this is the outside drawing. Now let me teach you how to use the hatch drawing. And first you choose here hatch, this one, H. Okay. We also uh, we also set different speed. Okay. You can see this is a hatch drawing, not the out format drawing. Okay. Similar if the different color or different depth use the different speed and different power. If we make the hatch drawing, include besides the speed and the power percent, we also need to care about the line space. Now we set 0.1. If we set bigger, then there will be big distance. So this one you also need to adjust by yourself. If we want to mark several parts at the same time, then how we to do? Now we give you one example. For example, now we can see here. We have 6 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 parts. We want to mark them together. How we to do that? We don't need to step one by one. We can make them together. Now we show you. For example, if we want to mark one edge, the x-value is fine. Here is text. We input what we want to do. For example, if we want to mark the F, if we want to use the hatch down, that will be outside. How many lines we have? How many arrows we have? How many rows? Okay. Now we can test. Now these 6 parts are all in the red line. It's that. You can see you don't need to put one and finish one and do another, but we can make them together. You can see if we oh, yes. right? If we want to use the different depths for one design, how to do? For example, if the design is 3F, 1, 2, 3, 3F. For the 3F, we want to use a different depths. Now, how to do? First, we choose the second one. Okay, we choose the one. We choose the hatch. If we want, use the hatch style. Okay. If, for example, we use the red color. Okay, red color. The third one, use the green color, for example. Okay. And you can see on the right, or the first one, the black one, the parameters is there. The red color also different, right? And the third one, the green one, is another one, different. So if you use different color for different marking, then the depth will be different. This is we do the test. You can see different color, different marking speed and depth. It is a little difference. You can see. This is depth. This is a little light. This is just a little golden, right? Remember, different speed, different depth, different power agency. Okay.